Okay guys, so here's a little update on the build. So this is my plot of land. The garage, basement garage is almost finished, just got the roof to go on. That's the ramp down into the entrance to the garage, and there's going to be a parking space at the front here for 2 or 3 cars. One of the reasons I picked this area was a very nice area, very quiet. So as you can see, we're going to have a downstairs or basement garage workshop. It's going to be 2 cars in the garage down there. It's 180 square metres, and we're going to have a little gymnasium area, and then all out the front here is going to be garden area. When we get rid of the workshop here, this will be side garden, self-facing, be a terrace and patio here. It's going to be 3 floors, similar height to the one next door. And we've got a back garden area here where the digger is at the moment. That's going to be where the pool's going. We're going to have a 9x3 pool in that area. And where I'm building the wall now, that's the end of my plot there. Got the wall, space in the wall there, so we've got access to get in with lorries, but obviously that's going to be closed off. And this will be at the back here, there'll be a little allotment area with, going to have some trees, going to have some fruit and vegetables at the back here, and then a wall in the middle here dividing the vegetable garden to the swimming pool area. So not really much more I can show you. We're stopped building at the moment, waiting for a next certificate so I can pay the builders, which should come on Monday or Tuesday, and then we can start the next stage. So I'm just doing some bits at the moment. So there's the ramp going down into the garage, and the part in the far corner there is going to be my workshop. It's going to have a nice big workshop. Stay posted for some more updates.